In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a checklist in Google Docs, step by step. If this helps, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple tutorials. First, open the Google Doc where you want to create your checklist. You can start with a blank document or use an existing one like a to-do list, shopping list, or task breakdown. Now, highlight the text you want to turn into a checklist, or simply type your list first. Then click the checklist icon in the toolbar at the top. It looks like a small checkbox with a tick mark. Google Docs will automatically format each line into a clickable checklist. Let's look at a quick example. I'll create a simple grocery list: eggs, milk, bread, bananas. I'll type each item on a new line, highlight them, and click the checklist icon. And just like that, you've got an interactive checklist. To check off an item, just click the box next to it. Docs will cross it out with a strike through so you can easily track what's done and what's left. You can also click the checklist icon first and then start typing your list. Each time you hit enter, it'll create a new checklist item. And that's it. You've now created a clean, clickable checklist in Google Docs. Great for staying organized and getting things done. If this helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick and easy Google Docs tutorials.